Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Hengwin Nylon messenger bag. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. Alright, we do that by tearing open the flap of the packet to reveal the Hengwin Nylon messenger bag. So this is in a black color, and I'm just going to show you the close-up details of the bag. First, just going around the side, just to show you the side profile as well as the back. You can see there is a carabiner as well as a belt loop as well. So many ways of using or securing this small messenger bag on yourself. So nice all-around look of the bag, and let's try and get the camcorder to focus. So it does have quite a fine weave to it, as you can see. Very fine woven nylon. And side view, you can see there are strap hooks or strap hangers on the sides. And then the stitching detail as well. As you can see, the zip or zipper seems to be pretty heavy duty in design. So nice close-up detail, and as well as the kind of bottom of the messenger bag as well. So as I said, this is of a compact or small size. It's not one of those large wide messenger bags. This is more of a satchel, but it's still a messenger bag, as I'm sure there will be a strap, shoulder strap in the messenger bag itself. So I'm just going to set it down so you have a nice unobstructed view of the messenger bag. And now I'm going to pull open that zipper now. To show you the insides of the messenger bag. Okay, let's go ahead and remove the shoulder strap. And always double checking to make sure that there's nothing else tucked away or left hidden inside the compartments of the messenger bag. So nice good view, hopefully, of the inside there. We've got some lighting now, showing you the insides of the nylon messenger bag. And I'm gonna zip that right back up again, and you can see pretty robust zippers and a pretty cool zip tab as well. So it has a kind of graphite color to it. Okay, just going to set the messenger bag down and give you a good look at the strap for the messenger bag. So there are hooks that go around the side loops or holes of the bag. And just to show you the strap length as well, of course that's all adjustable. Through this buckle over here. So I'm going to show you the close-up detail of the finish. So they do have a consistent kind of dark gunmetal or graphite finish that matches the messenger bag hardware, metal hardware. And just going to give you a close-up detail to the weave as well of the shoulder strap. So it is black, although it might appear slightly, just a hint of grey through the video camera's lens, but I can tell you or show you that it is black. Okay, so there we go. Looking from this distance, it is absolutely black. that matches along with the video camera's recording. Okay, I'm going to set the strap down. Bit of a jumble here, but just going to set it down right next to the Hengwin Nylon messenger bag itself, so at least you can see the entire messenger bag setup. Okay, we can go ahead and of course hook the strap onto the messenger bag, but before I do that, we still haven't quite seen the front compartment of the bag yet, so I'm just going to set it down before it gets too messy with the strap in the way. So showing you the messenger bag once again. And now we're going to flip open the front flap here. So it does have a magnetic flap closure there. So there we go, you heard it click nicely back in place right there. And then let's go ahead and open it again. Okay, and let's open or pull open the zipper here. So nice smooth action on the zipper to reveal the front compartment size. So you can always store your phones, coins, or other little things in this front compartment. I'm just going to put my hand in there just to give you some idea of the size of that front compartment. Okay, so you can always turn it into a puppet as well when you have some free time on your hands. So there we go. No pun intended. And once again, the zipper is very, very durable, as you can see. Nice chunky zipper there. So it's not really going to fail too quickly, if at all. And then now, looking back into the main compartment, just to refamiliarize yourself with the different sections. So you have a main storage area right there, a secondary pouch over here, and then a zippered compartment right towards the back. Okay, and once again, they do have nice strong zippers right throughout the messenger bag. Okay, and at the rear, of course, we do have a carabiner there that you can kind of latch onto your belt loop or strap it through your belt or hang the messenger bag on a bigger backpack, or just store it by hanging it about when not in use. So now let's go ahead and put the carry strap on. So very simply clicking the fastener or clip in place, and we do that with the other side as well. So just making sure that the straps are in the right orientation so it doesn't get all twisted up. So on this side, do the same thing. You can see nice, pretty consistent finish in terms of the gunmetal or graphite gray. And there we go, clicking the clip in place. And that should give you a good idea of the proportions of the messenger bag with the carry strap fixed onto it. Okay, so nice, good look like that with the Hengwin Nylon messenger bag. So it does have a nice, very finely woven nylon finish, as I've mentioned earlier, and you can see that right throughout the messenger bag. So that's the Hengwin Nylon messenger bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!